Okay, so let's do some honest video. How many X do you really need and how many X we can make in the large market cap? So that's the whole point of the video. Let's go, let's dig in up. So if you see the chart when I'm doing this video, probably when I'm going to post this video will be just in few hours. So if you see in 1 hour, everything looking red. However, if you go for the day, everything looking nice and green. SUI plus 16%, PopCAT plus 20. If you go for the week, we still have green more than red. If you go for the month, we have mixed red and green, okay? But check this out. If you go for the year, just 1 year ago, Tau 5x, Near Protocol almost 3x, Floki 7x, JasMiner 5x, AR 4x, AVAX 1.5x, OM, I never got this one, 60x, Render 2.5x, Kaspa 250%, Ordi 900%, Solana 6x, Pepe 10x, Bonk 80x 1 year ago. Isn't that crazy? That is crazy. So let's go, let's dig in up and let's see how much money we can really make. And don't be greedy, because more greedy you are, that's mean you can get wrecked very easy. By the way, if you're coming to Token 2049 in Singapore just next week, 18 and 19 September, let me know. I will be there all week. Let me know. Let's go and let's meet up. There will be 20,000 people. That's crazy. Just chat with me in my Telegram and let's meet up. Say hi. Let's do some video if you want, and let's crack on. Okay, by the way, let's go and let's dig it up. And before we go there, don't forget that I did a great video for new node coming up on Solana, okay? And you can get whitelisted, okay? Right here, and the node is cost around 150-60 bucks only for the people who are whitelisted if you get in early, okay? So watch this video here, and don't forget to watch this video for Portfolio Master and for my giveaway, and for my donation video right here. That's the best thing. This is the next hot node play on Solana. Have a big backup behind, but this video is not for that. But go and check that out. The video will be a good one potentially. Now, let's go and let's dig it up. Now, before we go, don't forget, nothing here is financial advice. Do whatever you want, your money, your issue, your problem. I'm not giving you any financial advice. So let's go, let's dig it up. Ethereum chain, if you go and zoom out from max, you will see that Ethereum chain is minus 51%. So if Ethereum going to all-time high, we're talking about 1x from your investments. But let's be a little bit optimistic and let's see if this market right here, market cap of all market right now is 2 trillion, but we expect this one to go around, everybody saying between around 10-15 trillion, but I will say a little bit pessimistic, I will say only between 6 and 8 trillion from this price. So we talk about 4x from this price, and we can mention that maybe Ethereum, by that chance, if this hit around 8 trillion, maybe this will be around 8-10,000 bucks. So we talk about 4x. So Solana, if Solana only go to all-time high, we talk about double the money from this price. But potentially Solana have a big things. It was some rumor. It was some kind of FUD. In the last couple of weeks, it was some video coming with some FUD. So Solana, you know, I hold some Solana, by the way. I hold most of the tokens when I'm going to talk. I will not be surprised if we can see around 600-700 bucks. That's according to me. That's my own personal opinion. Many people saying over 1,000 bucks, but I want to be a little bit pessimistic. To be 600-700 bucks, we talk about 5x from now. And if this hit over 1,000 bucks, hey, happy days for everybody. Toncoin. I didn't get in the last few days when the price was around 460 because I was traveling. I don't think it's still late, to be honest. It's minus 40%, so all-time high was around 820. If the things doesn't happen with the owner, you know, if he wasn't arrested and all the stuff, this probably was going to be around 8-10 bucks right now. But I don't be surprised if we see this one around 30-40 bucks from now. Cardano, if Cardano go back to all-time high, Cardano is minus 88%. 28%. That is crazy if you think about that, okay? We talk about $3 here. If go back to all-time high, of course, we need to take into consideration the circulation supply then and now, and we talk about almost 10x just to go back to all-time high. Can go double than that, don't be surprised, but if I see only back to all-time high, I'll be happy bunny. Chainlink, one of my favorite token. Chainlink, we see around 80% down, okay? Don't forget that the circulation supply in Chainlink are around 60% out there, and I'm not sure what was the circulation supply because you need to take that into consideration 3 years ago, okay? When the price was $52. So if this just go back to all-time high, we talk about around 5x from this price, and I think can go much more above that. I don't be surprised if we see around $80-$100 for Chainlink. So again, we talk about 7-8x, maybe 5x if we are very pessimistic. Near Protocol, one of my other favorite token. If you go to max out, we will see that Near Protocol went all the way up to $20. That means again minus 80%. That is crazy. So if the price go back to around $20, we talk about 5x from now. What is not bad at all, but I don't be surprised if we see this one to go much higher. I forget what was, if you see the circulation supply is almost all out with the total supply. So that's why this one I'm a little bit bullish, a little bit more for Near Protocol, okay? So this is very important to take into consideration when you're checking what will be the expectation. Now, Kaspa all-time high is a brand new token, not new, but never see a bull market. So it's only 20% down from all-time high and is one of my biggest holding, to be honest, and I'm extremely bullish for Kaspa. Now, don't be surprised, people giving crazy predictions. Is Kaspa going to hit $10, $15, $5? For me, if this hit, just a couple of bucks, $2-3, what don't be surprised going to hit this bull market, maybe next bull market, maybe will be much higher. Well, then we talking about 10-15x from now, and potentially, because this is my long hold, we talk about 30, 40, 50x, maybe 100x from right now. Don't be surprised. Again, this is my own personal opinion. Maybe in 5 years, don't be surprised if this hit over $10. Because if you see right now, circulation supply is around 80% out, okay? Maximum supply is 28 million, okay? Now, Kaspa is what Bitcoin is supposed to be, simple as that. Okay, let's go to the next one, Fetch. Okay, Fetch blow up in the last few days, okay? And if you see, went up almost 60% in the last 30 days. And whoever got in right here when price dropped, if you go right here, just around a couple of weeks ago, okay? The price was around $1 just a few days ago, and the price was 80 cents on August 17, so almost 4 weeks ago. So if you get in, you almost got double the money. So all-time high for this bad boy was around $3.5, but Fetch.ai, they joined forces with different tokens, so I think this will be a bullish, very bullish token. And let's see, the circulation supply is almost all out. What make this token very bullish again for me? And the tech behind is huge. Let's go and let's pick up one more. There's so many. Okay, let's go. Matic is so down, to be honest. It's 70% down from all-time high. No, this is not correct. Matic was around $2-3, but because they change to Pol, it's not more Polygon or Matic, so it's POL. So usually Matic was around $3, 3.5. So it was around 10x, around 9x from this price all-time high. But this is for the new price POL when it was all-time high. So that's a little bit marketing trick right there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I don't want to keep you too long. Check this out. Render is huge, very good token with a big thing coming up for him. All-time high is minus 60%, was around $13, so almost double than this price, like 150%. So don't be surprised if we see this one 8-10x from now. So you will see overall this is like the large cap tokens with some mid cap tokens, and we can see that we can still make 2, 3, 5, 10, 15x in some of the large cap token. So don't be pessimistic and don't go and jump always to extremely low market cap, because more lower you go, you can get more money, but you can get burned much faster. All right, thank you so much. Let me know what is your favorite token. What is your top 3 favorite tokens? That is very important. What is your top 3 favorite tokens? Thank you so much. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.